RC cars in 2026 are faster, tougher, and more capable than ever. And whether you want to bash hard, crawl technical terrain, or build something from scratch, there's a rig on this list that was made for exactly that. Here are 5 of the best right now. Hit subscribe before we get into it. We cover the best hobby gear every week. The Traxxas Max Ultimate is the flagship bashing machine in Traxxas' 2025 lineup. An RC driver called it easily one of the most exciting trucks Traxxas has released. This 1/10 scale 4S monster truck arrives with over $1,000 worth of factory-installed aluminum upgrades straight out of the box. Suspension arms, chassis braces, drivetrain components, and steering hardware all upgraded before you even take it out of the packaging. The VXL 4S brushless power system pushes the Max towards 60+ miles per hour potential, and the aluminum heavy-duty outdrives are designed for significantly improved drivetrain longevity under sustained bashing abuse. Belted tires reduce ballooning at high speed. The TQI radio system includes the Traxxas Link wireless module, allowing steering rate, throttle curve, and TSM stability management adjustments directly from the Traxxas app. An integrated motor cooling fan, aluminum servo horn, and pre-installed wheelie bar complete the package. For bashers who want the best version of the Max platform right out of the box without spending time and money on aftermarket upgrades, the Max Ultimate is exactly that. Actually, the Traxxas TRX4 is one of the most capable scale crawlers ever produced as a ready-to-run platform, and it remains the benchmark for out-of-the-box trail performance in 2026. It is a 1/10 scale trail truck and rock crawler built around a multi-speed drivetrain with selectable locking front and rear differentials. Features that transform it from a casual trail runner into a serious technical crawler when conditions demand it. Portal axles provide exceptional ground clearance and protect drivetrain components from impacts that would damage conventional axle designs. The chassis is durable and realistic, and the body lineup, including iconic trucks and SUVs, delivers scale accuracy that flatbed competitors rarely match. Metal gears in key drivetrain positions, solid construction, and an enormous aftermarket of hop-up parts make the TRX4 a long-term platform rather than a disposable purchase. The Arrma Typhon 4x4 V33S BLX is Arrma's 1/8 scale speed buggy, built for pure, high-speed bashing on any terrain. Tracks, trails, skate parks, dirt lots, BMX courses. It handles all of them. The Spectrum Firma 366-032 0 kV brushless motor paired with the BLX 100 ampere waterproof ESC pushes the Typhon past 50 miles per hour on 3SLI PO power, with a chassis stiffened and reinforced across the V3 revision, specifically to survive that kind of sustained abuse. The low center of gravity and wide suspension arms give the Typhon natural high-speed stability, and the high downforce wing keeps all 4 wheels grounded when you're pushing the upper range of speed. The V3 version brings a tougher chassis, hinge pin plate retention, improved steering clearance for rocks and debris, and a castellated slipper pad for better adjustability. All electronics are waterproof to the Spectrum standard. The Spectrum SLT 3-channel transmitter gives you throttle limiting, useful for tuning performance in tighter spaces, for 1/8 scale bashing speed at a competitive price. The Typhon 4x4 V33S is a hard package to argue with. The Tamiya Lunchbox is the most iconic RC build on this list, and it earns its place here for a completely different reason than raw speed. Originally released in 1987 and continuously re-released ever since, the Lunchbox is a 1/12 scale 2-wheel drive monster truck kit, meaning you build it yourself. And it is one of the most satisfying beginner-accessible RC builds in the hobby. Car Magazine called the latest version a radio-controlled Restomod and gave it a proper thrash across terrain to prove it still earns the fun factor. The CW01 chassis uses front independent swing arms and a rear rigid rolling suspension mounted on massive 115mm diameter tires. A rear wheelie bar is included for stunt driving, and the sealed gearbox protects the differential from dirt and sand. The kit builds cleanly, the parts are clearly labeled, and the Tamiya build quality is what decades of reputation is built on. Closing with the Losi Mini B, the pick that proves big performance does not require a big footprint. This 1/16 scale 2-wheel drive brushless buggy is directly derived from the TLR22 platform, scaling down the race-proven suspension geometry, mid-motor configuration, and 1.5mm 606 1-T6 aluminum chassis into a package that runs on carpet tracks, BMX courses, living rooms, and backyard obstacle setups. The RTR brushless version comes fully assembled with adjustable oil-filled shocks, adjustable turnbuckles for camber and toe tuning, and waterproof electronics throughout. A wide range of aluminum, hop-ups, motor upgrades, and option parts from both Losi and third-party manufacturers mean this platform grows with your skill level rather than being outgrown. Buyers consistently describe it as the best RC car they have ever owned and return to buy additional units for the whole family. Those are your 5 best RC cars of 2026. From a 60 miles per hour bashing machine loaded with aluminum upgrades to a 1/16 scale race buggy that fits in a backpack. There's something here for every kind of driver and every kind of budget. Drop your pick in the comments, and if this helped, you know where the subscribe button is.